Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss about causes of business risks. Okay, so total 6 causes. Number 1, just first you make the list when you start to understand. And even see, remember I'm giving you one advice. When you start to write down such a big answer, more than 2 or 3 points, then first you make the list of it, then you start to explain about individually, right? So first is change in technology. Second, threat of substitute product. Substitute means alternative, one alternate other. Third is a competition. Fourth is a legislation. Fifth is the uncertainty of demand. And sixth is the physical risk. Is that clear? Okay. Let us first we discuss. The first cause is change in technology. Remember one thing. Usually human nature is to be curious. Curious means ready to find the new. So in that situation, we always try to find the new changes, and these changes are creating some effects on businesses sometimes. As I'm giving you an example, before some years, maybe in 1985 and onwards period, the first auto start vehicle brought in India by Kinetic Honda, right? So two companies joined their venture, Kinetic and the Honda. They both joined their hands and start the new developed two-wheelers in India as Kinetic Honda AutoStart. Thereafter, it effect to the whole two-wheeler auto industries, and mostly in those days there was control of Bajaj company in two-wheeler fields, and their most important vehicle was in two-wheeler segment. It was Bajaj Super, but it was kickstart by leg. See, today you can see Access, Activa, Aviator, whatever you want to say, all have auto start as well as kickstart, but everyone prefer to start the vehicle by auto start because it use less energy by legs, right? So this is the change. It was started by Kinetic Honda first, so it was the new change, and it effect to the business of Bajaj Super. See, Bajaj Super also tried to add auto start feature in the scooters, but it was failed. And in India, thereafter, same kind of the technology having two-wheelers started to come in that segment, right? So it was the change in technology. What I mean to say, change are necessary in production. We all know this, but why it happens? The question is that due to the inventions. So as the new invention done, the new technology developed, and it is adapted by the early production units to reduce some old traditions and to bring some new high quality goods. So, in that situation, the old traditional products will suffer a loss. And in that situation, that traditional method based businesses will be collapsed. Okay. Now, the second point I am explaining is threat of substitute product. As I have told just before, you have already heard me properly. Substitute means alternative. One alternate to another. See, capacity of the person for purchase may be different one to another, but if the same performance or the nearby qualities, if the high paid product may be in the market and the low paid product may be in the market, then most of the total class of the customers will move to low price paying product. So in that situation you can understand, we have one example, iPhone, the branded product, and its substitute Android phones, started by Samsung first, right? Today there are so many examples, MI, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, there are so many examples you can also add on your side to think about. But here, due to the low price, more features and easily possible to use, due to these benefits, the common classes started to use, instead of the iPhone, these other companies' smartphones. So it is a alternative. Here I am not saying that iPhone is in danger. The existence of the iPhone is not in danger. They are earning the high production and the amount. But I want to explain only one thing, that due to this situation, every producer has to be ready to find out alternative. Okay, let's continue to the topic. The customers may turn to the substitute product due to the change in technology, as after the new technology emerged in the field. Instead of the black and white TV, the whole class of the people have diverted to the color TV, and instead of the color TV in the box, now we move to the wall mount TV. So these are the change, but these changes have created alternative, and every alternative usually having more features than the original product, right? And due to that, as the substitute or alternative is better in performance, then the existence of the original or the traditional product will reduce. Is that clear? Okay. Next one is competition. Sometimes it is not sure, I repeat, sometimes it is not sure that competition always destroy the business, but it create risk for the traditional businesses from who are exist from longer period of time. So competition creates risk for the business from more strong rival company, maybe directly, maybe indirectly, but it affect to the business, including its profit may reduce due to the competition. Okay, the product is needed to be more perfect, needed to reduce the price with better features. So here the competition creates positive situation for the customers earlier who were not getting more better quality or the features. Now in market, even after reducing the prices, more better and the featured products are coming, right? So it means the competition creates almostly positive situation for the customer but creates negative situation sometime for the businesses. Okay, I continue. The business need to reduce cost of production, but here the competition creates stress on the business to beat the others, and for that every enterprise try to add their additional expense of advertisements, and this expense sometimes creates overproduction cost because ultimately advertisements expenses will needed to be incurred from the income of selling of the product. So in that situation, in market, to maintain the position, it is needed to face the competition, and for that reason even the cost of production increase, but to reduce the profit, company take risk of a reduction of price. Even the expenses are high, but they cannot take risk of increasing the price, and it affect to the company a lot sometime about its existence, right? Okay, now the topic comes legislation, means the legal steps. See, if the government take any policy decision to allow some business or prohibit some business, if they allow some business, it will become encouragement for the business who are coming now. But if government restrict the business, in that situation they will struggle for existence, because now law is not allowing them to be exist in the market. The government formulate law regarding any change due to the circumstances, like the pollution, like the any exploitation of consumer, like prohibition on exploitation of worker. See, all this situation shows that government's effort to reduce the stress will become more better for existence of company or the business. But if the laws become more hard, then the existence of the company will become in danger. Is that clear? Okay. Next one is uncertainty of demand. See, you all knows this, that the choice of the consumer is not sure forever in any circumstances. So what do you think? The business could exist for a long if the choice of the customers will change? No. As I have told, due to the change in auto industries, we can find the new transformations in businesses, but sometimes it affect to the demand, because the mind of the people is changed, so it creates uncertainty. So in that situation, the risk will arise for existence of business. The changes in customers' income, taste, product price, and inflation. Inflation means price rise. See, all these things are also affecting to the demand of the person, right? You already know that earlier the people were using some different kind of the products with the more higher prices, but now the changes are coming and the more featured products are in market, so it will affect to the old traditional products users. Earlier the Nokia was in demand, but as after the Android phone came in market, the Nokia became out of the market. Just they not accepted mindset of the people was going to change, and they keep their production continue with the old quadri keypad phones or the buttons based mobile phones. But laterly what they were bound to do, today we see they are also in the Android phone market. It means the demand of the customers are changing, and that demand of the customer changing effect on the businesses on larger scale. Is that clear? So here we discuss for uncertainty of demand. Now the last point comes is physical risk. See, when the businesses are in market, every business is having different kind of the danger, as like the traveling, the bus operating also creating danger for the driving, right? If the control over the vehicle will be lost, then the vehicle will lost that route balance, and the driver will also be dead, suffer an accident. In that situation his body will face the damage, right, due to the accident. Okay, second example I can give, the accident in the machineries. See, whichever the situation cause danger or damage to the physical situation is called physical risk. So as the functioning of the machinery is not proper, it needs maintenance or the repairing, then it is needed to be done in proper time, so the risk of the physical damage could stop. Is that clear? So these are the causes which sometimes create the problem for the business in their existence. Is that clear, my friends? So here we discussed about business risk and its causes, right? Earlier we discussed about types of the risk, right, my friends?